ጤና ይስጥልኝ። I'm Mesfin. Welcome to Amharic Reader Lessons, Lesson 5. In the previous lessons, we have learned Be, Se, She, Ze, Ke, He, Le, A, Ge, Ne, Nye, Te, Che, Ke, Qe. Te, tu, ti, ta, tie, t, to. Che, chu, chi, cha, chie, ch, cho. Ke, ku, ki, ka, kie, k, ko. Ke, ku, ki, ka, ke, ko. Lesson 5. First, from this chapter, we will stop writing in English the numerate step part of the sentences and words. Numerate step, ቁጥር. Second, for some few lessons, we will call the rows in Ge'ez ordinal number, origin Ge'ez ordinal numbers. Ge'ez, Ka'eb, Salis, Rabi', Hamis, Sadis, Sabi'. We call this in Amharic Fidelatn Maghaz. Fidelatn Maghaz. It means spelling the letters. Let us take, for example, our first letter Be. Be, Bu, Bi, Ba, Bie, Bi, Bo. Be Ge'ez, Bu Ka'eb, Bi Salis, Ba Rabi', Bie Hamis, Bi Sadis, Bo Sabi'. If we apply this to our new letter Ye Ge'ez, Yu Ka'eb, Yi Salis, Ya Rabi', Ye Hamis, Yi Sadis, Yo Sabi'. It means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Ye Ge'ez, Yu Ka'eb, Yi Salis, Ya Rabi', Ye Hamis, Ye Sadis, Yo Sabi'. Ye, Yu, Yi, Ya, Ye, Yo. Ye, Yu, Yi, Ya, Ye, Yo. Let us see how we put the signs. To the first letter Ye, we do not add any sign. To the second letter U, we add a line on the middle of the right side. U. To the third letter Yi, we add a step on the middle to right side. Yi. To the fourth letter Ya, we add an inclined line from the bottom to left. Ya. Ye, we put a circle on the middle to the right side. Ye. Yu is irregular. Yo, we add a line on the upper part of the letter to right side. Yo. Ye, Yu, Yi, Ya, Ye, Yo. Two more letters in this group, Ha and Pe. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. Pe, Pu, Pi, Pa, Pie, Pi, Po. Ye, Yu, Yi, Ya, Ye, Yo. Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. Pe, Pu, Pi, Pa, Pie, Pi, Po. Let us see how we put the signs to these letters Ha and Pe. to ha and pe, to the first ones we do not add any sign. Hu and pu, we add a line on the middle of the right side. Hu, pu. He and p, we add a line on the bottom to right side. He and p. Ha and pa, we add to left curved line. Ha, pa. Here and pie, we put a circle on the bottom to right side. Here, pie. He and p, ho and po are irregular. Please notice the difference between he and ha, po and pa. Ye, you, ye, ya, ye, yo. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Pe, pu, pi, pa, pie, po. Pe, ge'ez, pu, ka'ib, pi, salis, pa, rabi', pie, hamis, p, sadis, po, sabi'. Fidelatn Maghaz. Here we can read when we need the spelling of the letters and how we apply it in those two names, Abeba and Abebe. Let us see the pronunciation similarity to English words. Ye, like yellow, you, like you, ye, like yield, ya, like yard, ye, like year, ye, yo, like yoga. Ha, like helmet, hu, like hook, he, like hippo, ha, like hat, he, like hare, he, ho, like horse. Pe, like pen, pu, like pool, pi, like pig, pa, like papaya, pie, like pear, p, like plant, po, like police. Here we have an attachment for those who want to deepen the Amharic language. The ha letters. In Ge'ez, we have some letters which are written differently but pronounced the same. For example, the letter ha. We have already learned a ha in the first group. And we learn now one more ha or he. And we call this Ha Bzuhan. And later, two more has will follow. This has a large background in the history of Ethiopia and Geez language. Maybe we will speak later about the history of those letters. የቃላት ንባብ የቃላት ንባብ reading words የኔ ላይ አይ ቦታ ቦታዬ ቀይ እስያ ገበያ ዘይት እይ ልዩነት ይገባል ኃይለኛ ብልሃት ብዙኃን ህሊና በኋላ ፒዛ ፓስታ spaghetti, spaghetti. Sport, sport. Police, police. Politica, politica. Piazza, piazza. I is a prefix for negation. Hua, this letter we have not learned yet. Pe and ve are used for words of foreign origin. Ye, yenye, lai, I, bota, botaye, ቀይ, እስያ፣ ገበያ፣ ዘይት፣ እይ፣ ልዩ፣ ልዩነት፣ ይገባል፣ ኃይል፣ ኃይለኛ፣ ብልህ፣ ብልሃት፣ ብዙኃን፣ ህሊና፣ በኋላ፣ ፒዛ፣ ፓስታ፣ ስፓጌቲ፣ ስፖርት፣ ፖሊስ፣ ፖለቲካ፣ ፒያሳ። የ፣ የኔ፣ ላይ፣ አይ፣ ቦታ፣ ቦታዬ፣ ቀይ፣ እስያ፣ ገበያ፣ ዘይት፣ እይ፣ ልዩ፣ ልዩነት፣ ይገባል፣ ኃይል፣ ኃይለኛ፣ ብልህ፣ ብልሃት፣ ብዙኃን፣ ህሊና፣ በኋላ፣ ፒዛ፣ ፓስታ፣ ስፓጌቲ፣ ስፖርት፣ ፖሊስ፣ ፖለቲካ፣ ፒያሳ። Here are the letters we already can read. Be, se, she, ze, ke, he, le, a, ge, ne, nye, te, che, ke, ke, ye, ha, pe. Ye, you, yi, ya, ye, yo. Ha, hu, hi, ha, he, he, ho. Pe, pu, pi, pa, pie, pe, po. Here are the handwritten letters. Pe, pu, pi, pa, pie, pe, po. The one-leg groups: ge, gu, gi, ga, gie, g, go. Ne, nu, ni, na, nie, n, no. Nye, nyu, ni, nya, nye, ny, nyo. Ye, yu, yi, ya, ye, yo. Ha, hu, hi, ha, he, he, ho. Pe, pu, pi, pa, pie, pe, po. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to be updated with the lessons.